Teremka tu, haina haja. Aya, na huyu atakuumiza bana. Oya, utaumiza huyu bana,
Pole pole.
utamuumiza. Pole pole bro, hata kuingia na kifua, hata anaingia na kifua na anakuona hapo. Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Ona mwingine. Why are you running? A lot of people don't know how dangerous it is to cross the road while running. A lot of people have no idea how dangerous it is to cross the road when you are running. When you're running, your focus is scanty, focusing all over the place. You cannot concentrate on one thing when you're running. Again, if you are running and you need to stop, you cannot stop as fast as the way you would stop if you were walking. If you are deciding to cross the road, just cross slowly. Walk. Okay? Just walk. You have no business running. Again, when you're running, you stand a very high chance of falling down. You can trip and fall down. And if you fall down, you're falling down in front of a moving vehicle. It is dangerous. But I should go out there to all people. Don't cross the road while running. If the road is not clear, don't cross. Okay? If the road is not safe for you to walk, don't cross. Don't cross. Dangerous. Very, very dangerous.